Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn Tableau in 15 minutes. So let us get started without wasting much time. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So for any tool to learn, we need, a data set to start with, right? The first thing is we need a data set to start with. Second, now let us try to define what is Tableau. So Tableau in general, if I try to, define it, it is a data visualization tool that allows us to connect it to different data sources. Okay, different data sources and generate visuals instantly. Okay, so now I'm taking you directly to the screen from where we can download different applications of Tableau. So for us, the primary source of information about Tableau, if at all we want to collect, is from this site. Okay, I will be pasting this link in the description. You can go out and check it out. Okay, it is very important. You need all the information about Tableau, genuine information. You can go here and watch it. Now, see, here are the different products or that Tableau has to offer. Okay, but for us, from practice purpose, we can leverage, some of the free applications that a Tableau has, and I'm going to use Tableau Public for that. And we also have different applications of Tableau. Like say, if we talk about Tableau, we have Tableau Desktop, which is a primary application of Tableau, and it is a licensed or a cost involved product. Likewise, this desktop is purely for development purpose. And then we have Tableau server to publish reports into a server. Likewise, we also have Tableau Online, which is a cloud-based service. Okay, which is a cloud-based application. So here you don't have to worry about installation and all. So we have some applications called as Tableau Mobile as well. If at all you want to view some of your reports in mobile, then you can go with this application called as Tableau Mobile. But this is again an end user application mostly. Like say, if at all you want to see your reports in your mobile. Okay, so then you can use this application, Tableau Mobile. We have Tableau Public, again, one of the products that we will be using. Okay, it's a free application. It's kind of a LinkedIn you can consider. Okay, all the Tableau dashboards that you have created, you can showcase this in this site called as Tableau Public. But what we need to remember is whatever the information that you are publishing here is publicly available. So do not publish any sensitive information here. Okay, so next we have Tableau Reader, and Tableau Reader is again to read Tableau files, and then we have Tableau Prep to prepare your data. So these are some of the products that are very popular with the Tableau. So after this, there were some recent additions, like say Tableau Pulse was also part of this products. Okay, so because the Tableau is acquired by Salesforce. So in combination of Salesforce technology and Tableau's technology, they are trying to bring in some new products that can use or leverage the concepts of AI and machine learning in that. Okay. So with that said, if at all you want to prepare by seeing notes and all, and you're looking for information, I think this would be the page that you need to go to, help.tableau.com, one of the best resources that is available about Tableau from Tableau. Okay, so you can directly go through here and you can study one by one, and you can do it simultaneously. So this is again, on the left side, you will see how to build a basic view right from connecting to or downloading to Tableau and all. But because I want to use Tableau public, so I have, you can directly click here, Tableau public, and all you need to do is, go to this Tableau public here, public.tableau.com, and you can click on this. And all you need to do is you need to sign in, because I have already signed in. Now it is showing my, so under create, if I go, I have an option called as a download Tableau desktop public edition. Okay, so this is a free application that you can use and you can get started. But for that, again, you might say that, Rahul, I would need a data set to practice. So the link of that data set, I will be pasting it in the description box. You can, download it and you can use it. So I have downloaded my Tableau public, and here is how the home screen of your Tableau public will look like. Okay, so I am trying to connect it to a source or a data set. So you can simply click on the data type that you have. So if you are looking for more data sets, then you might need to, purchase a paid version. Like say here, this is my Tableau desktop application, but here again, if I go to my home page, this is how it looks. Okay, so here you have options to connect to different data sources. Okay, so from here, this is a kind of more, developers application where they can connect to different data sources. But this is because a free application, we have limited connectivity that is available. Okay, so I am trying to use Microsoft Excel and I am trying to connect it to sample data source that I have. So I'm going to use Tableau 24 and this sample superstore. I'll paste the same link. And once you connect, Tableau will read that data and it will try to, you know, give us the preview of that data. So if you see here, this is my preview of data, like how many columns are there, what is the data that it is telling. I have order ID, I have order date, ship date. So it is a sales data that we have. Okay, customer ID, customer name, and all of that we need, we have here. And on the left side is information about that table. Orders table is there, right? So what are the tables? The name of the table or is orders. What are the different fields we have in that? What is the data type? It has to offer. These are your different data types. Okay, so we have string data type, which is represented by ABC. We have calendar symbol, which is a date data type, and we have globe symbol, which indicates it is a geo dimensional data type, and then we have hash symbol, which indicates it is a measure. So these are some of the data types that you need to remember if you are working with any reporting. So string data type, date data type, okay, and geographical data type, and measures. Measures means like say integer or real, all of that will come in that. So they are represented by hash in Tableau. Okay, so apart from that, we will also have some custom data types, like say Boolean data type. If your calculation is resulting only true or false, then it will be categorized as Boolean data type. Like say it will have uh, T/F kind of symbol here. Okay, so these are the data types that you need to remember. Now, if I go back, here is all we have. Now, once you feel you are comfortable with all of this information, we can simply go to sheet and we can start our work here. Now, in Tableau, when it comes to creating, there are three important components that you need to remember. That is, first is sheets. This is the primary area of development. So all the development, like say you are creating charts, any designing any KPIs or designing any metrics, connecting to data sources, all of that would be available under this sheet option. Okay, next is your dashboard. Dashboard, in simpler terms, if I try to call, it is a collection of objects. So objects here would mean collection of sheets. Simple. Okay, so together, like say 2 to 3 sheets together will represent one dashboard. So first we need to identify what is the purpose of dashboard that we are trying to create, and based on that we would be creating some sheets and we will be presenting them. So dashboard is also a place where we can interact with these multiple sheets together. Okay, so next would be third important part of Tableau is we have story point. Story point, we can consider this as our PowerPoint presentation. So if at all you want to present anything about Tableau in Tableau, then we will be using this as story point. So that's why if I go to my Tableau public here, you will see this is my sheet option. And as the second one that you are seeing here, this is my dashboard option. You see under sheet, I have option to connect to my data source, and different fields that I have here are available. Likewise, if I go to my dashboard, I don't have an option that, right? I don't have that option to connect to data source. I only have option to bring in my sheet and start visualizing that. Okay. And next is story point. Here I can either use my worksheet or I can use my dashboard. Okay, so use it according to your purpose. So mostly in real time we will use sheets and dashboard to present our visualization. Okay, now I'm going to sheet, and let's say if at all I want to create a simple or a very basic view, and here I'm trying to answer maybe a subcategory wise sales. So subcategory is my dimension, and I'm trying to search for that using this SU in the search box, and I can simply drag and drop it on this. Okay, so remember in this worksheet we have these five important components. This is where you will be using your most of the time: columns, rows, page, filter, and mark shelf. These are the five components of a worksheet. Okay, rows and columns, these are mostly used to organize your data. Okay, and then we have marked shelf to customize your data. We have filter shelf to filter the data, and then we have page shelf to you know uh, divide the data into parts. Okay, so I can simply bring in and I can put it my sales here. I have my basic view to sort the data. You can use the sort options here that are available. I want to sort it. That's it. So this would be my first sheet. I am writing subcategory wise sales. Okay. Likewise, I also want to create another sheet so that I can use order date I'm trying to pull, and I'm dropping it here, and I want to just use sales. I can drop it on Marks shelf. I got sales with respect to this, and now, if at all I want to filter it based on region, I can drop it on filter shelf. I can select whatever I want, click on apply. Okay. I want to show this filter, so I can simply click on this and show filter. So we got filters. Now let us go to dashboard and let us try to, arrange them. I can just bring in whatever I need. I'm just trying to put it here on top. Let us make it fit to my entire view. This is how it is, and I'm putting subcategory wise sales below this. Okay, so when you are trying to pull objects into dashboard, you can also play with the size here. You can use whatever the range that you want, or we can use range, fixed size, or automatic. So let us go with automatic, so it can take up the entire size here, and this is how it looks. So now we can arrange the size however we want. I can hide the title. Okay, and so this filter I want to customize as multiple value drop down. Now I also want to apply a filter. This filter should be applied to this both the sheets, right? So I can go to my subcategory wise sales, click on this. You want to apply this field to selected worksheets, and click on this. Okay. Now, when I go to dashboard, if I try to apply a filter here, you see, whatever the filter I'm trying to apply, my values are being changed here. You can observe this number here, central, and this, and here we have like that. Okay, so this is how we can, make multiple sheets interact with one another. So in this dashboard, we have two. And now once you are done, Here if I go to, sorry, before that, under show me you will have different options to navigate or recommendations from Tableau based on fields that you are using in the view. Like say here we are using subcategory and sales. Based on that, what are the suggestions that Tableau is giving, what are the recommendations? So you can use that and you can create your build view. Okay, so once that is done, you can put here everything under your dashboard. You can save it as my, first dashboard, and after that you can just sign into server, and you can save it here. Okay, file, save to Tableau public, you can do here. Okay, so once you do that, it will ask you to sign into your Tableau account that you have. And once you do that, you should directly be able to export here under this. So under your name, under your my profile, you will see all the different dashboards that you have created. So that way you can create. Okay, so this is how you can get started learning Tableau. If you need a detailed video on this, you can definitely check out my, YouTube channel. I have posted several videos on Tableau. I hope this has helped you uh, to know about Tableau. If it does, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and have a good day.